Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about how to create a wellness center business website on Wix.com. So Wix.com is a website builder that helps individuals and businesses to create and manage their website simply. So after creating the account and signing up on Wix.com, you click on create new site, and here you type in what kind of website are you creating. We said it will be a wellness center. So I don't think they have. Yes, we have a wellness center. So next, what's the name of your business or website? Healthy. Next, let's choose the features to add to your website. We have booking, pricing plans, online programs, videos. You can also add online store, events, blogs, chats, forums, Instagram feed, groups, portfolio, file share. And that's it. Next, you have to choose to go back to the dashboard and follow the steps, or to start designing by yourself, or to let Wix start designing the website for you. So let's try Wix fixing those all those problems for us and creating the website. So here you will need to enter the email address. We have the address, the phone number, and the social accounts, and you will need a logo. Then click on next and choose the theme. We have Basil, Clay, High Rise, Humble, Minimal, and Spark. So it's a wellness center. So this one will be good. So preparing your homepage design, Wix editor will give you three choices to choose one of them. Here we have something like this. The second is this one. And the third one is this. So let's choose the third one. So now we have to choose some pages to add. We have some about information, some offerings, we have some testimonials, we have location, contacts, the team, and the code. Now click on edit website and you will be directed to your website, and you can start editing and adding services here. Now after clicking on publish, your website will be ready and shown to people, to customers, but it won't be working as well. Like if you create on learn more, or if you create on a service, it won't work. Why? Because you need to go back to the dashboard here and complete those steps by adding some services, offers, plan, and membership depending on your wellness center. So here you can add your first service. So Wix will give you an idea about the services. We have intermediate yoga, beginner yoga, advanced yoga for some prices. Here you can add new services. You can manage categories, accept payments, manage staffs, and others. So depending on your center. Now we have, so those are where they will appear, the offers and services. Here we have set up payment options. You can link your PayPal account or any payments methods depending on the country where you are and the country of your business. So here you can set up pricing plans. Here you can also add subscriptions and gift cards, sell services monthly. So you can create a plan, something like now why okay, let's just write unlimited plan, and here booking service online program. Okay, forgot online program and video channels. You can add channels, and it's one-time payments or recurring payments. You can add monthly or weekly, length of the plan until cancelled. And you can enable a free trial for the first week, something like this. And here we have some settings. You can save it. This how your plan will look like. Why isn't it saving? I forgot something. No, I didn't. Click on save and they are directing us here. So the the online problems, I should connect it to something. So here we have the last step is to get found on Google. And it's easy. It's now the CEO journey to get found on Google. Click get started and fill up with the brand and business name. Next, how do you serve your customers? So it's a wellness center, of course. It has a physical address. You need to put some address or more than one if you have more than one address. Next, which keyword you will be found with it on Google. So will people search those words? You need to appear the first search result, something like this. So you need to choose carefully the keywords. Now you can add something about here. Your description will appear, something like, and you just have to fill until it's 15 digits. Now that's good, and apply and publish. Now you publish your link, but you still have to continue. Here is to why it's important, add at least one keyword. We already did this. Text to your homepage, not now. You can add it to the editor. So the most important is to connect it to a domain, and now you will have to upgrade your account to connect it to a domain, something like wellness.com or Madara Life, yoga, something, .net, .com, or .shop, .blog, .design, .tech. And you can get started by ChatGPT till generating you a domain. So wellness Madara .online, .shop, .blog, .shop. Let's try shop. If it's available, you can get it by upgrading and buying, and your website is here. Just have to complete the settings, and your website is already published. Now you just have to complete the settings so people can't just be stuck in here. You can link it to other pages, other things. And I think that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.